henceforth quick to idealize and acquire the values and logics of this bivalent thirdness, detecting it with her sensorial and her clitoral excitability, despite remaining inconsolably indebted to the maternal sameness intimacy of the primary Oedipus. Women's fabulous social adaptability and obstinate scar covers this constitutive dissociation that expresses itself as foreign to the phallic order. I'd like to keep your attention to this situation, how the second Oedipus persists as a cathexis. I believe in this thirdness that my father represents for me. He's not already the Oedipus in the sense of law, taboo, or different kind of interdictions. It is a loving father, but I belong to the first Oedipus, to the mother relationship of sameness and tenderness. And in this sense, I remain foreign in the phallic situation of the society order. On the one hand, there is an intense cathexis in the underlying bound and authority, a psychosexual movement that reveals itself in the need to do belief, in the imaginary father, in the maternal envelope. But on the other hand, this belief, disparaged by sexism and swallowed up by the primary Oedipus, as well as every identity, is experienced in the registers of the illusory. It is a game. I am in it, but I am pretending. It is not true. It is something artificial. Je suis toujours étrangère au langage, à la loi, à l'ordre social. Deluded. The feminine is equally disillusioned, disappointed, with a radical disappointment more intractable than melancholy, because the subject is not confronted with the nonsense of being, but with the absence of being. Unless she purifies her primary Oedipus to revolt and to fulfillness, or